Shark.
Hi.
And I am a mermaid. Woo! And let's open this. This is gonna be so cool, right? Right. Let's take it out. Whoa. We have 3 balls, 2 targets, a goggles to cover your eyes, a tank up here. Whoa. And it will fall, like when you touch it, and then it'll come down. See that? This is called the dunk hat.
The rules are simple. There are 3 balls, you get 3 chances, and there's 2 targets. You only gotta hit one of them to dunk the person. To make this fair, I'm gonna be kneeling with Miss K.
Because we're like, that's how we get the same height.
And whenever it's my turn to throw the ball, I'm gonna be farther than usual.
Because he's like, has longer arms and he's stronger. And unless it's my turn to throw on him, I get to go closer since I'm younger than him.
Let's play.
Woo! Yeah!
So who's gonna play first?
Her.
Yeah, because I already had the dunk hat on. We're gonna add some slime to make it more exciting. And some water.
Now we're gonna add a little bit to the water.
This is so good. Don't add some water in my head either. I think that's good. Because I can't see anything.
Don't move.
Help me!
Okay.
Go!
Okay.
What?
Go!
Yeah!
There's 3 targets.
I'm wet!
Ready?
No.
Go!
Yeah. I missed.
I didn't get slimed. Go! One more. Now you're wet. Bonk.
Hey, the goggles work.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh,
Ow.
shoot. Hi. Come on.
You're not supposed to hit my tank.
I'm trying to hit the tank. I missed.
Yes, you didn't hit me. Ready?
No.
Go!
Yeah.
Oh!
What?
Not my tank!
Two points.
No! Ready?
No.
I got 2 points! We got 2 points now. And we're tied up. So we need one more round.
Time for the tiebreaker round. I win!
No!
I hope Miss K doesn't hit me next.
Ready?
No.
Go!
Yeah. I win!
Nah.
Why?
Yeah.
I can't see!
Give me your hair.
No.
I want to.
Gotta clean my face. Close your eyes.
Okay. Whoa!
Oh, now the pool.
Amazing! I like it! Done! Ah! It's slippery! The spider girl and man. See? This is what it looks with the slime. Because maybe it was colored. It's white now. You follow me!
Oh,
I'll follow you then. Go!
okay.
It was just amazing. I didn't even know when the slime turns into here. It turns into white slime. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch for more videos. And don't forget to click the subscribe button down below.